guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today we are going to be making a very simple no-bake cheesecake. I'm really excited because it's velvety, vanilla-y, a little bit tangy, and just so simple to make, and everyone's gonna look at this and go like, oh my god, this must have taken forever, and you can go, yes, because it didn't, but you want to seem fancy and like you put a lot of effort in, which you didn't. Alrighty, so these are the ingredients you're gonna need. For the cheesecake base, you'll need 300 grams of digestive biscuits. You can also use graham crackers if you're in the US. 150 grams of butter. I'm using salted here because the cheesecake can be quite sweet on its own. I like having a bit of a salty base with it. You can use unsalted as well, but I'd suggest adding a pinch or two of salt. For the cheesecake, you're going to need 100 grams of icing sugar, 185 mils of thickened cream. Now, this is one you want at least 35 to 36% fat, because the fattier the cream, the more beautiful and whipped and smooth your cheesecake will be. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of vanilla bean paste or extract. You can also use fresh vanilla bean pods. I don't have any and I don't want to spend money on that. 500 grams of cream cheese. I'm using full fat cream cheese because, let's be honest, if you're going to do this, you go all the way. And 250 grams of mascarpone cheese. Now, I've got these at room temperature. I've taken them out about half an hour beforehand. At room temperature, this helps incorporate all the ingredients really well and results in a lovely, smooth, silky cheesecake. So now we've got our ingredients, we're going to start making our cheesecake. First, you need to grab a Simon. So this is, you look very happy. Are you okay?
Pulled me out of nowhere. I was like, over there.
You vanished here. So I'm basically gonna get Simon to be doing everything and I'm just gonna be telling him what to do.
Yay.
Yay! Alrighty, do you wanna say let's get started?
Let's get started.
Yes! So what we're going to get Simon to do first is we're going to blitz all of our cookies and make them into a nice fine crumb. Then we're going to add our butter into it until it becomes all incorporatey and biscuity. Then we're going to put it in our pan and put that in the fridge. And yeah, that's the first step. There you go. Okay, bye. So with your springform tin, you can just put the cheesecake in as it is if it's non-stick, but it is more likely to deform your cheesecake. So what we're going to do is take some baking paper, put it over the base of our tin, clip it on, and then we're going to, with a little bit of butter, we're going to grease the edges of our pan, put some more baking paper on the sides of it, and so that the cheesecake doesn't stick at all. And now we're going to get Simon to put it in the base of our lined 20 centimeter springform tin. And then we're going to pat it down with a flat base glass and make sure that it's all even. While you're flattening your biscuit base with your glass, the first time just go around lightly to level it all out, then apply a little bit more pressure and smooth out the biscuit base. Once we've patted down our biscuit base, we're going to put it in the fridge while we make our filling. Bye! In your electric mixer, use a paddle attachment and mix together all of the cheeses. Mix this for about a minute just until it's all incorporated. Then we're going to add our vanilla bean and our icing sugar. Mix on a slow speed when you add the icing sugar, otherwise it'll make a poof of smoke everywhere and you don't want to be covered in sugar. After mixing for about a minute, make sure to scrape down the sides so that you're not getting any lumps of cream cheese anywhere. Then we're going to add our thickened cream and beat for about 4 to 5 minutes until it becomes nice and thick. Then we're going to add our lemon juice to help thicken it finally. Don't add the lemon juice until the end, because this is what helps set our cheesecake.
Guys, I'm putting it in.
Yep.
Come see.
Alright, so basically start from the middle out.
Middle out. Yes, ma'am.
You got this. I believe in you.
So just pour it in then. Oh, what?
Yeah, you can pour it in if you want to.
Okay.
It's up to you, sweet pea. You got this. Now we're going to add our cheesecake filling on top of the biscuit base. With a spatula, just push the filling to the edges in kind of a crisscross manner, just to make sure you're getting rid of any air pockets. Then smooth the surface as smooth as you can get it, and then we're going to cover it with Glad wrap and put it in the fridge. So I usually leave the cheesecake in overnight, but you want a minimum 4 to 6 hours in the fridge, depending on how cold it is. You don't have to do this, but I do. Just holding the bowl this whole time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye. Hi.
Once the cheesecake is nice and firm, take it out of the fridge, and we're going to pop it out of the springform pan onto our serving plate. Then take either a metal knife, or I use a cake scraper, decorator thing, whatever I've got in my hand, and I run that lightly under some hot water, pat it dry, and then slowly smooth the top of my cake. Then I'll wash it again, and then use it around the edge of the cake, just lightly, enough to make it look nice and smooth and finished. Fluffy, look! The cheesecake is sad we cut it. He looks so unhappy. Oh, baby. Okay guys, that's how you make my no-bake cheesecake. I'm really excited to eat it, and I think these guys are as well. You're just chilling?
Yes.
Yep, cool. And Flavia should get over here, so let's eat.
Let's eat.
Yay! All right, so we've just cut up bits of it. I'm really excited. I'm also one of those people with cheesecake. I like a good amount of biscuit to the cheesecake ratio. So yeah, otherwise it's way too creamy.
Oh my goodness, the thing's falling apart.
That's your whole thing.
You have to put that all in your mouth like a piece of sushi.
Just like
Alrighty.
sushi. We should cheers.
Yes.
Yeah, everyone cheers.
Cheers.
Itadakimasu. Done.
What a cut on the nose. Oh. Oh, it's so good. I love the base. It's so yum.
It's got
soft. It just melts in your mouth and things want to cry.
But yes, so we will see the photos that these guys took. We'll put them probably somewhere here. I don't know, I'm distracted by cheesecake now, so boy. Yay. There's literally sometimes we film and like we just don't talk. Bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that, or something awesome game related.